Yeah, the first thing we did with this truck was we rinsed everything out thoroughly. We used Diablo for the wheels to clean them up. We didn't want to damage anything. And the Diablo did a really good job. It looked like it took out a lot of the brake dust that I was concerned about, but it was gentle on the wheel itself, so that's what I was looking for. On the outside, what we did after we rinsed it was we went with the Tough Mudder soap from Chemical Guys, because we wanted to get a lot of the grease and oil off it. This vehicle's on the highway an awful lot, so we wanted to break down as much grease and oil as we could and get it off the truck. Soaked it with the foam cannon first, let it sit for a few minutes so that it could break all that down. We rinsed it off. Then we washed this by hand with the new Blacklight soap that we got from Chemical Guys. And if you look at the shine, there's nothing on there. I mean, this is totally clean. All right, now this has done some hard miles. This has gone all the way through the States and back. Okay, this was covered in mud. You can't tell, and this is just washing it. Now, after we put the black wax on here, you're going to see a huge difference. Okay, it's going to look a little bit darker. It's going to be a little brighter. Yeah, this is the black wax that we picked up at Chemical Guys. That's what we're going to be putting on this truck today. So I'm going to apply it, and we'll see how it turns out. As you can see, the black wax worked even better than we thought. This stuff is just phenomenal. Like, look at that. You can even see our car as in the reflection of the truck. Like, you're not going to get it any better than that. Now, the owner of this vehicle, he's going to keep us posted as to how this is holding up. And he drives it all over the place. If it holds up as good as we think it should hold up for about 5-6 months. Then this is definitely going to be our go-to wax for black. This is unbelievable. I can't believe how bright this looks. And the clarity of the paint is just phenomenal. Excellent product. So, yep. There it is, all finished up. Yeah, it looks like Chemical Guys hit another home run. And now it's time for a little water test. I want to show you guys how well the water beads off this thing. Now look at that. Now, not only does it look awesome, but you've got fantastic protection on there. Look at how fast that water sheets off. Beautiful.